Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix lag and get higher FPS in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to head over to the gear icon in the top right. Then you're going to go to graphics. From graphics, what you're going to do is you're going to first change your visual quality from high to mid, and if it's like peak and high, then you're going to do peak to high. So my phone isn't that like good, so it just goes up to high and mid. So anyways, yeah. And then for performance optimization for battery frame rate, you're going to leave it on frame rate. And another thing you guys can do is change the allow high-res asset streaming over mobile data plan to click, just make this no. This will also give you higher FPS. And then for max frame rate, if you know you're not going to get to 60 FPS, you could just put it down to 45 or 30. And another thing you guys can do is you can change the FOV. The higher the FOV, the more FPS it will drop, but the lower the FOV you set it to, the more FPS you'll have. So yeah, and as of right now, those are all the ways you can have higher FPS and fix lag in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.